Flat
Batteries. Drive you potty, don't they?
Yeah. How are we doing with this one? Oh, it's part charged.
Always says part charge, Kev.
Is it?
Always. Look after your batteries.
Yeah.
If you don't use the van, take the van for a run every week. Are we right?
Yeah.
If you can't do that, start them up. But before you start saying it's bad to start them up because of the DPF and everything else, me personally, I'd just start it, wouldn't you?
Trouble is, it
Takes a lot out of it when you actually fire the engine up.
does Kev.
So then you've got to do a fair bit of mileage to put that back in that you've just taken out of it.
Now, in layman's terms, let me explain that to you.
A good 40-mile round trip.
It takes a lot of power to get a vehicle started. So it's a bit like when Kev gets up in the morning. It takes a lot of effort. So then he has to sit down for an hour or sit around chatting away before he psychs himself up to do anything.
Yeah.
Bit like a battery.
No, you're waiting for me to get here so I can make you a cup of tea.
Yeah. Who was late?
Me. I had things to do.
Like what?
Chauffeuring the wife about and doing shopping for the daughter. And
You know, this is what retirement's all about, Jason.
As Kev says, big buzz.
Big bus. An auto roller team.
Rollerteam Auto Roller 747. It's a bit like a 747, isn't
It's really, isn't it? Oh, yeah.
Okay. So, length, Kev?
Oh, 7.4 metres.
7.47.
Yeah.
Right, now this one,
What are we in weight-wise?
weight 3,500.
How do they make them 3,000?
We shall find out.
Roller
Kev.
team always seem to make them 3,500.
Okay, 6 speed, 3,500 kilograms. I've done 3,000 odd miles, 2.2 on a Fiat Ducato. So that means we don't need a cam belt, do we?
No.
Okay. Now, what was I going to say? Oh, people wonder how much it is. So it's going to cost you up to 60,000.
Yeah.
Might even cost you a little bit more. Now it's a six berth with.
6 belts.
Well done, Kev. Good looking.
Yeah.
Yeah, rather. We've got the biggest audio in the world.
They're better now than when they used to be because you used to have the big bubble on the front, didn't you?
Yeah, everything's going low profile.
They were quite old fashioned in the time, the auto rollers.
So we've got gas bottle,
Yep.
hookup. I like a little roundy one. Little roundy one there. Try that. And it's more of
White.
Antarctic dark white.
How can you get dark white?
When it's at night.
Yeah.
It doesn't go dark in the
Got a small
Antarctic, does
fridge
it?
as well, Jason.
Okay.
Alloy,
Nice graphics.
Yep, alloy wheels.
Yeah, standard ones, aren't they?
Yep. You'll be amazed when you open this.
Will I?
You will.
That's the biggest garage in the world, Kev.
Yeah. Now, would that shout island bed or single beds to you?
It's not shouting anything, it's shouting big space. That's what it's shouting.
Right, Gordon?
Big space. Hey up, Gordon.
Gordon's around.
Gordon's been around longer than time, haven't you, Gordon?
I have, indeed. He named it after me.
Yeah.
He's the unshone hero
Yeah.
of the corporation.
He works when you don't want to work.
Let me say that.
Weekends and holidays and things like that. Yeah, when you're sat at home, Gordon's doing all the grafting here, aren't you, Gordon?
Never mind, it gets me away from missus. I can't hear that.
We've got that on camera. It's a good sized garage, that, isn't
It's a good sized garage. Yeah,
it? It shouts single beds or island bed to me.
it does, and we've got some weird contraptions there, Kev.
I'd say they're for something to do with the bed makeup.
We haven't done a planning meeting either.
No,
Oh, no.
we never do a planning meeting.
Okay. So, 4x crack.
Yeah, got 4 candles, 4 back rack.
And then, we've got another garage here, Kev.
Same
There you
one.
go. 2 garages.
Yeah.
Look at that. And another contraption.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bed makeup. That.
Cassette toilet.
Yeah.
And
Fresh water.
fresh water. So I led into that, Kev. Fresh water capacity,
120.
90. To cut the weight down.
Yeah.
Wastewater,
90.
68.
Excuse me. You missed another look at her.
68.
I'm only saying that because one locked it. I had to bend down and unlock it, so I'm making sure you've opened it. Come on.
Right, okay. What do you mean you had to bend down? It's only there for you.
Oh, we've got a band back.
Oh look, we've got a waist.
Yep.
Pull that. Oh,
That's it, it's pulled.
it's already pulled, isn't it?
So what have we got in there, Jason?
Just
More storage.
a locker.
Levelling ramps.
Hook-up cable, things like that.
Muddy boots,
Muddy
walking boots, my athletical trainers.
Put the dog in there if it's muddy, couldn't you? Keep the inside clean.
Put you in there if you're muddy. Right, fleet for the heating system.
Yep.
And there's not much more I can tell you about it. For a continental type of van, it's got 8 socket points. 8.
8.
Look at that. Right, so we'll have a little scout around. So quick,
Yep.
I'll tell you what, we're getting dinette,
Yep.
we're getting U-shaped lounge.
See, we were wrong. We thought...
No, you were wrong.
Press switches.
I'm pressing switches. Interior lighting. Oh, look at that. Oh, you can do it also on your app as well, Kev.
Yeah.
Let's just quickly do the cab, because it's obviously the new cab.
Look at that, look at that.
Hey, look at that. Hey, look at that.
Look at that.
Hey, look at that, Kev. Smiling at you.
Yeah. Smiley face. They're good, aren't they? Yeah. Yeah, it's the new cab. I like the new speedo on the new cab.
You do?
I do, yeah, because it's it gives you a readout in the centre. Because didn't you notice on the Fiat, the speedos are always hard to see?
Yeah, we're not getting new blinds.
No, they're there, Jason.
Okay, we are getting blinds.
Sticky on ones, yeah.
We're getting portable blinds.
Yeah.
Media pack, aircon, whole thing. I do like the steering wheel. These seats, look at the seats. Check them seats out, Kev.
I know, yeah. They're
Quite sporty, aren't they?
Yeah. This seats, both seats are swivel actually.
yeah. But this one's a waste of time swivelling because you've got that behind you, haven't you?
No.
Well, you can swing
If
it
want
round to
have
get out.
Yeah, or if you want to have a little bit of a set in the front. Nice skylight at the front there, Kev.
Yeah, nice big skylight, storage up here. Little, you can put your knickknacks up there.
Nice seats these are, you know. Nice seats, Kev. Right.
Storage, you got your storage there.
Just check the roof as well. Look at that.
Quilted.
Isn't it? Right, so the bed is going to be simply one, isn't it?
Yeah.
So there you go. There's a couple of power points,
Yep.
USBs. See them? That's going to
Yeah, that's going to drop down there.
drop down. That's going to drop down there.
Yeah.
And there's your
And
bed.
then I think you've got some makeup ones, haven't you? Them things that were in the garage.
Yeah.
They'll go on the ends of the seats, won't they?
Yeah, I think so. Right, what have we got under here? Oh, that's nice and easy. Kevin, come on, can you get yourself round?
Oh yeah. Oh, that's nice and accessible.
Isn't it? Water heater. We've got the drain off over there, and we've
Leisure
also
battery.
got a leisure battery.
Yeah, that's good.
I do like that.
Would you get another leisure battery in there?
No, I don't think
No.
so. Kev. Why did you ask me after?
You could always fit one behind the driver's seat, to be quite honest.
Can't, the blinds are in the way.
You take the blinds out.
Oh, okay. Oh, little hatch.
Water tank.
Water tank, and can you just see there?
Onboard water tank.
There's the pump. See the pump down
Yeah.
there? Yeah.
So you'd have to unscrew that panel
Yeah,
too.
if you want to get at it.
But it's accessible.
Yeah, nice and easy. I'm liking that so far, Kev.
Yeah.
2 belts, 4 belts. Yeah. Yeah, look at this.
Oh, we've got belts on here.
I don't know, I haven't got that far.
Yeah.
Got belts on.
Yeah. Yes.
Very sure everyone.
Six belts.
Loving the, what's it called? Furnishings.
Upholstery.
Upholstery.
I've found something before.
Oh, you're getting thinking, aren't you? What have you done? You found my toy, haven't you? Look at that, hey?
TV.
Look at that.
Have a walk in the back, Chris.
Hang on, we haven't got to the back yet, have we? Why?
There's another one of them in there.
Oh.
That's good, isn't it?
Nice and easy to go
Yeah,
down.
because you sat at the dinette, aren't you?
Yeah, yeah.
Just push it down.
Hey, we like a gadget, Kev. Do you want to do the drawers while you're there?
Yeah. There's the remote for the telly.
Tell you what, it's a big drawer for the remote, isn't it?
Just isn't it? Yeah. Soft close.
Soft close? Yeah. Hey. We all love that. We all love a soft close, don't
that
we?
one isn't, because that. Jason.
Go down. What's that there? Is that them and the fuses?
Yeah, LCD, isn't it?
Yeah, they're the fuses. Yeah. Little bin for you.
Lifty uppy thing.
As Kev's famous words, a lifty uppy thing.
I like them lifty uppy things.
I broke the lifty uppy thing, Kev. Oh, there we go. And then we're moving on to the kitchen. It's not a bad size actually, in fairness. No. Great surround.
Yeah.
Everything to catch the water.
I like the way it's all white. It makes it light, doesn't it?
Doesn't it? Yeah. And then you've got a little bit of, oh, they don't move. 2 good size cupboards, lockers.
Yeah.
Happy?
I think you can take them off, can't you? Because they're keyhole shaped. I think you can move them.
I'm dead.
Yeah. Unscrew it first to move it.
There you go.
Good size fridge. That's a wide fridge, isn't it?
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, unscrew it, yeah. And you can put that one up there then. Look, this space.
Yeah. You can go along there.
Or you can go along there.
Ah.
Up here for thinking, down there for dancing.
Give us a dance, Kev. Come on, give us a dance. It's quite stylish, isn't it?
I think so, yeah.
It's quite stylish.
Quite sleek.
Yeah.
3 burner hob.
We're also getting a grill and an oven, Kev.
We are. Combined oven grill.
Yeah, there. Again, we're getting the light. Oh, I found a hatch, Kev. Look at that nice silvery one as well.
Oh. What have we got in there? Storage.
Could that be your battery? Oh, no.
No. Shoes. It's for shoes.
Okay.
I like the light there as well, Jeff.
I'm surprised you've not said for storing your wine down there.
Well, it would keep it cool. Because it's under the van, isn't it? Yeah.
We're getting more lockers.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now you've got the light switch off, Kev.
And look. You don't see it. In the mirror there.
Oh, look here.
In case you forget what van you've got. You've got another team.
Oh, look.
Yeah.
Hey.
Light-duty.
I tell you what, this is tastefully done, this, isn't it?
So they're up in the game, really, Rollerteam.
Aren't they just?
The size of that window as well.
It's huge.
Like a shop window, isn't it?
Yeah. Just do me them up, that one over there, so I've got to reach over. Because these are going to be on the gas struts, aren't they? On the struts. Yeah, like.
Yeah. That is a good size window.
It's a great window, that is, you know. It's a really, really good window. If you just make your way back, Kev.
I shall reverse. Beep, 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 beep. Sorry, I'm reversing.
Health and safety.
Health and safety.
There you go.
There we go.
Does that give you stop? Oh, it does.
Yeah, so you've got, I'd say an adult single or a child double. Yeah? So you got
It's a cracking family van, isn't it?
Yeah, you've got all your little hooks there for your safety net that goes around it.
Yeah, I'll show you that there.
Yeah.
Safety net.
Yeah. For young children. They do usually put an age limit on the...
I mean, you can't lie on this bed.
If you look at the roof, the material it's made of, what you'd get condensation trapped between the mattress and the roof. So by leaving a breathing space like that, it stops any mould forming on the mattress. And it doesn't mean your van's damp. It just means that's what we've found.
Example, we've just come into the van. Luke, you looking?
Yeah.
Look at that condensation already.
Condensation already, yeah. That's because we have to stop breathing, Jason.
Yeah.
Well, have to have snorkels.
Kev is a wally. There you go.
That's somebody's added that one, haven't they? That's
yeah, sticky on anything, isn't it?
Kitchen towels, yeah.
Nice chic lounge, Kev.
Yeah.
So this is coming up to the 6.
I like the lighting.
Yeah, I mean, you even got this nice surround here as well.
Where's the switch for that?
Oh, I don't know, Kev.
See?
Oh wait, oh hang on. Oh hang on, I've sussed it twice. There you go, touch light.
Touch light.
It's nice and bright, isn't it?
Speakers at the back as well.
Yeah.
And here's our other telly.
Okay, it's could be storage, isn't it?
Yeah, but you access it from the garage anyway, don't you? So
there you go.
Loads, acres of storage, isn't it? Which
for a 6 berth is what you need.
And for a rear lounge van, because we usually find with a rear lounge, it compromises your storage, doesn't it?
Yeah, storage you get under there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you've got loads of storage, you get your chairs and everything in the storage on this.
More PowerPoints and more USBs over there, I'm seeing, Kev. And then to make the bed up, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Off we go.
That'd be a monster of a bed, that one.
Isn't it?
King size bed.
That is a biggie.
Yeah.
And you could leave that down as well because you've got the dinette at the front.
Yeah. Notice you haven't got a separation, you've got no curtain or anything across here, but I think Somebody has actually put something there, haven't they?
Yeah.
I think they've had a curtain rail up there.
God, there's more cushions here.
There's your curtain rail. And you've got a freestanding table
Yeah.
to go in the rear lounge. These are for the bed makeup.
Solar.
Oh, solar.
Only to the leisure battery.
Yeah.
Oh, well, look here. Here's your point if you want to put a satellite in. TV aerial booster. Oh, I like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, because we've got no drawers here, have we?
No.
So they put them to this side.
Yeah.
Look at that, Kev. Another one there. Look at that. And,
Ooh, nice washroom, guys.
isn't it?
Good size shower. It's as good as a separate shower.
It is. Do they come across, don't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you've got the...
Yeah, the doors come across here. That's your shower head there. Pulls out your tap.
I tell you what, they fitted that sink in well
Yeah.
with the shower. Just come back, Kev, just give me that. Just go inside that shower.
Yeah, plenty of room.
Yeah. I like that design, you know, because obviously if you weren't having a shower, any water, you go, put your catch in the sink and go anyway.
It's all sealed, everywhere's sealed all around anyway.
Yeah.
You got plenty of room in here.
We're happy with that shower, aren't we?
We're happy with that shower. Happy with the van, to be quite honest.
I'm really happy with the van. Really.
That's quite handy as well. You can unlock the door from outside if the kids lock themselves in.
Yeah, yeah.
Little things like that.
We've got a great family van.
Yeah.
4 people for 6 people as well. If you want a good van for go touring and it looks a good van, you can have that made, the back one made up as a fixed bed if you wanted. You've got the options for the grandkids. You've got the other option here. Good size kitchen.
Yeah.
If you were going to be picky, could you possibly have put a taller fridge in there? But adequate.
Yeah, yeah.
Adequate. You've got a good area for cooking. Yeah. Love the tally lifty uppy thing. Oh, it goes by itself, Kev.
Yeah. Once you've...
Look at that. Oh, I can play with that all day.
Make a good hire van. Wouldn't it?
It'd make a good family van, to be honest.
Excellent hire van.
Yeah. But no, it's stylish though, isn't it?
Yes.
It's stylish. You get knocked around being a high van.
Give up the game a bit.
So there you go, the 747 Boeing, well, Rollerteam. A great family van, stylish family van.
Not an expensive van.
No, no.
They are reasonably priced, aren't they?
Great use of the lighting, love the upholstery. It's a very, very good family van. If you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, and comment.
Yeah.
And everything else.
Should we go find another van?
Yeah, of course. Find out. I'm on a roll now, Cam.